was never recording.
Relax, relax.
Hey guys, it's me, Heavenly again. I'm back again with another video. I am super excited today. Today I'm going to be doing a everyday fall look with you guys. Fall is my favorite season by far. I love everything about fall. The cool weather, the big comfy scarves you can wear, pumpkin spice, coffee. I just love everything about fall. I love the darker the makeup, the bolder the eyes. So today I'm going to be doing an easy tag along fall look with you, and I'm pretty sure that it's something that you can do at home. I'm definitely not perfect at doing my makeup, but I'm really excited to do this with you. So if I look a little crazy at the end, don't judge me. This is a no judgment channel. So always remember to keep a clean face before you put your makeup on. So I'm going to go ahead and go through. Today I am using my Equate Beauty Deep Cleaning Cleanser, and I showed you guys this before. It's one of my favorites. Make sure that my skin is just nice and smooth. And if you are someone who has oily skin, I wouldn't recommend putting on the coconut oil first. I probably wouldn't even do the coconut oil if you're going to do a full face of makeup. But I have oily skin and my foundation still sets in pretty well. And I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of my e.l.f. moisturizer, this much, and rub it in. And then if you do use the coconut oil first, the e.l.f. moisturizer helps everything just kind of set together so that it's not too much. But I love it. Okay, so now we're all moisturized. So now my face is hydrated. I did put on my coconut facial oil. And I also use just a pinch of my Daily Hydration Moisturizer by e.l.f. And I let that set in for about 5 minutes or so. So now I'm going to apply my shadow. And then I will be doing my foundation last. Okay, so the next step that I do is I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base, and it comes in this little jar, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on with my flat brush all over my lid so that the color that we choose today can really pop out a little bit more than the normal primer will do. Dose of Color, and this is Desi times Katy, the Friendcation palette. It's so pretty. It has everything that you can imagine and more. I love this palette so much. It's been so good to me. And we're going to be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This screams fall for sure. Oh, it has everything in there that you want for fall. So I'm going to grab my fluffy brush. And today's brushes were provided by Caramel Drip, which is a new cosmetic line that's out right now. And I will also leave that description in the link below for you guys. out a new foundation. This is Beauty Blender Bounce. I've never used this before, but I've heard really good things about it. My shade is Blend 4.05W. And so what I love about this is that it comes like this, and you put your beauty blender right here, and your foundation actually comes out on this palette. And then there's a lock in the back so that you can lock it if you're traveling and the foundation won't run out. Here we go. So I did 2 pumps. Guys, this looks so, I can't even tell you how pretty this looks. Oh, I don't think that the camera does it justice. This is beautiful. Oh, this foundation is beautiful. I cannot believe I found this. I cannot believe I found this. And now I'm sharing it with you guys. This is so pretty. This is beautiful. I cannot, when I get hype about things, I go a little bit OD. But this is beautiful, and I promise you I would not steer you wrong. So today I'm going to be using my Tarte Concealer, and my shade is the color Tan Sand. I love Desi colors. I think they're an awesome brand, and they're also vegan. So that's another thing if you're like big into stuff like that. Let's not forget our Rose Hibiscus setting spray. You can use it as a setting spray or just like a facial mist. And I'm going to use my Juvia's Place loose powder highlighter for the corner of my eyes. I just love when there's highlighter on the corner of your eyes. It's so pretty. Be careful not to get it in your eyes because it is loose powder. So you want to make sure you just place a little bit on your brush at a time so that you don't overdo it. I also want to suggest, if you're looking for a new foundation, to try out the Beauty Blender foundation, which can be found at Sephora. You might need a little help matching your shade, but I cannot stress to you guys enough how beautiful this foundation blended on my skin. It made it look like I took an airbrush and just put it on. See it in person. It's so beautiful, and you guys really have to try it. I would not steer you wrong, but definitely if you have any questions, just message me or comment below. I will reach back out to you and let you know the specifics on certain products if you have a certain question. And I will also place everything that I use today below. It can all be purchased between Ulta and Sephora. All right, guys, so that is it. I am finished with my everyday fall look. This is just pretty simple. I'm on my way to the movies right now, so I definitely wanted to do something to cut my time in half. So I completed this entire look in 30 minutes. It's very simple, very easy. For sure, I will make sure to leave everything I use below for you guys in the description. If you have any questions about any of the makeup that I use or where you can find it, just be sure to comment. I always comment back. I try to comment back to everyone. And one thing I do want to say again is, if you've never bought the Beauty Blender foundation before, buy it. I mean, from the time that I put it on my face, I can tell how it just came out so smoothly, and I just felt like I was airbrushed on. But I can't stress enough how beautiful the foundation really is. I will let you guys know in my next video if it passed the test for wearing it for like a few hours and not feeling like you need to reapply any more foundation to your face. But if you guys like this video, please leave me a thumbs up below, and also feel free to comment on anything that you want me to try or anything that you want me to do so that I can be sure to get you guys some good content. But thank you very, very much for watching, each and every single person that takes the time out to watch my videos. And once again, my name is Heavenly. Can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye. Relax.